everyone, this is AFCube, and in this video we got a giant 10 cube non-WCA unboxing from thecubicle.com. So let's get right into it by opening it up. This might need a screwdriver to open it. Right. I think I got it. Man, they package this well. Alright, so, sorry that took forever. So I believe these are all non-WCA. Here's the Z 2x2x4. Here is the, let's see, I'm just going to do that. Alright. Oh yeah, here's my weight 5. I've been needing this because I lost my last one. Alright, here's the floppy ghost cube. Here's the Axis cube. It looks like the lock's kind of opened. Hopefully that's fine. Here we have the Crazy Fisher cube. Wait, no. Fisher's cube. Alright. Here is the container cube. Here is, what is this? Oh, application tape. Here is a Yushin Little Magic 2x2. I just got this cube because I only had $2 left with my gift card, so I just decided to get it. Here is a Ivy cube. Here is a Jelly keychain cube. And two more. Oh, I didn't expect this to be that big. The YJ Elephant 2x2 shape mod. And last but not least, we have the Pandora cube. So now, let's take a look at each cube. Oh yeah. Oh, they got a new business card. So yeah, it's different than the last business card, as you could see. Probably because they switched companies. And yeah, so nice business card, I guess. So I guess I'll just, I don't know where to start really. I'll just start off with the Yushin Little Magic 2x2. Alright. So this looks like this was pretty cheap. I think it was only like $2, I believe. Oh gosh, I have a lot of marker on my desk. Alright, so let's just do some turns. Alright, it's not bad. It feels pretty loose. And it kind of locks up a little bit, but it's not bad. Yeah. I guess this is, just like, it's not bad. I mean, it does lock up a bit, but it's not going to become my main. But yeah, that's the MGC 2x2. Now I'll do the Pandora cube, I guess. Alright, here we have the Pandora cube. If I could get this out. Alright. Here we have it. I think you just solve it just like a 3x3. So let's do some turns. Whoa, this is cool. I know, I heard people say that it like feels weird when you turn it. But yeah, this is actually really cool. I'll be, I might make a review on like the 2x2 and the lube, but probably not the non-WC cubes, but it's still really cool. So yeah, I'll be sure to do some solves on this later. Now on to the next cube. Alright, here we have the keychain jelly cube. And I wanted a keychain cube because I want to put it on my backpack at school, or for school. Alright, here we have the jelly cube. It looks pretty cool. It's pillowed. Let's just do some turns. Wow, this is actually really good. I'm not gonna lie, this is really good. Especially for a tiny 3x3. It does feel a bit loose, so I might tension it or like loosen it, but really this is very good. I'm really impressed with this because it's so small. So yeah, good job, Chi-Yi, on this. I think it's Chi-Yi. It might be Moyu. It's Chi-Yi. Alright, now on to the Ivy cube. Alright, so here we have the Ivy cube. Alright. So I believe you solve this just like a cube, so let's just turn it. Whoa. This is like, oh, you can do a sledgehammer on it. That's cool. This is really cool. It actually turns pretty well. So, yeah, cool cube. Now on to the Axis cube. Alright, here we have the Axis cube. I haven't had one of these and it just looks like a pretty cool shape mod to have. So yeah, let's just turn it. Oh, this turns a lot similar to my, what is it, Fisher cube? Yeah, this turns like the exact same as my Fisher cube. Probably because it's like the same company and also like a sticker list, just like my Fisher cube. So yeah, this will be looking forward to a fun challenge. It looks kind of difficult, but I think I can do it. So now on to the, what is this, the floppy ghost cube? Yeah, now on to the floppy ghost cube. Alright. Whoa. Okay. So I got this in gold because the silver one was like not available. But it actually looks like there's lube in it because I could already kind of see it. So let's see like if it turns well. And it does. Wow. This is very like smooth. It's very like buttery smooth. And yeah, this is a cool cube. I'll be looking forward to solving this too. Oh, and I think you could do, yep, you're able to do those turns like that. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this cube. Now on to the 2x2, 2x2. Alright, here we have the 1x2x2. I just wanted to have this because it just looked like fun fidget, kind of. But yeah, it has like the textured, stickers. And yeah, this is supposed to be able to like be solved in like 6 moves, I believe. So yeah, this will be pretty easy. This will be fun to bring to competitions, I think. And yeah, whoa, it sounds kind of, you could hear that when it's turning, but yeah, that's it for this cube. Alright, so here we have the Fisher's cube, I believe. So let's just turn this. Oh, wow. It turns like the Axis cube a lot. This one's a little bit slower. Whoa. So I guess if you turn it like this, and then you're able to turn it like that. So that's cool. Yeah, I'll also be looking forward to solving this. So, yeah, on to the next cube. Alright, here we have the container cube. Get this out. There we go. Alright, here we have the container cube. I heard that this was like a challenge kind of for some people, so let's just start turning it. Again, it turns just like those two that were stickerless. I believe this is a cube mod, so like this would be the center and then these are all the corners. So yeah, pretty cool puzzle, and I think you can shapeshift too, like somehow. Oh, there we go. So yeah, that's it for this cube. Now there's one more cube, and then there's a lube. Here we have the YJ elephant. I believe this is YJ. Alright. Here we have the YJ elephant. This looks cute. Let's turn it. Yeah, this turns pretty well, actually. So it's just like you solve it like a 2x2, I believe, and then it's solved. So yeah, this is a pretty cool cube. It looks cute. I got it in blue. You could also get a pink one. So yeah, let's just do a solve on it and scramble it up. Alright, let's just start solving it. Let's see. Alright. Now, that looks like, I think I have to do this algorithm. Yeah, I don't know what I did. Let's just try it. T-perm. Alright. I guess I'll try to solve this later. And yeah, now let's just get into this loop. Alright. So here we have the cubicle weight 5. So, a funny story, I got this for my birthday, and then I don't know where it went. I just seemed to lose it, so I just ordered a new one. So, yeah, not very funny. So yeah, I will be making a review of this lube sometime in the near future. And also it came with these 2 extra tip things. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you enjoyed watching it, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.